Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy, and I'm very excited to have Anuj with me today. He has smashed his PTE and NAATI exam, 25 points towards his permanent residency. You're sitting on 75 points. Very soon you'll get your invitation as well. Congratulations, Anuj. Well done. 25 points. You have smashed 8 each in PTE and you have got 65 out of 90 in NAATI Hindi as well. We'll start off with your PTE exam. Was a bit long journey. Was quite a long journey, and a lot of times you missed out by only 1 or 2 points, and that's really frustrating, guys. If you feel like you are unlucky or you feel like giving up, you should come and see this guy. He is an inspiration for a lot of us. A lot of us must, might give up, but he didn't, and he has got 8 each in PT. I remember around 6 or 7 times he got 8 in 3 sections, and he scored 78 in the other section. He only missed by 1.7 to 8 times, and that's very hard, that's very frustrating. A lot of us will give up if that happens, but he didn't, and he is sitting in front of you, 8 each in PT. Congratulations, man. We'll start off with this. Anuj, we know that, I know personally know that yes, you were quite frustrated. Every attempt you got 78 in reading, and the next attempt you got 19 reading and 78 in listening, right? So what do you think, what kept you going? What was your motivation, and how did you use to motivate yourself when you fell down?
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks you that you've been really great guidance for me. Yes, you're right that I've got 6 to 7 times I got 78 in reading, and one time I got 78 in listening, and then rest all others were 8 above. And I was really frustrated. I was like I lose my hope and everything, but what kept me going was that motivation, that support that I got from you and from my family, that don't lose hopes and keep on trying. That was the biggest thing that I had, and I just kept on trying, and finally I got 8 each.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Do not lose hope. Believe in yourself. You can do it. If anyone else can do it, you can do it as well. You need to believe in yourself. Do not lose hope and keep on trying. Trying is one of the best things which will get you apart, get you over the line, and you will score 8 each as well. We'll talk about your reading, Anuj. One of the section you were struggling. You were struggling actually because every time you used to get 75, 76, 77. What do you think was the difference this time, and how did you manage to get 8 in, especially in your reading section?
Well, in reading, I was really confused because some people say that read aloud, that's the main point that you are lacking behind, and some say that it's because of your reorders or not. My reorders, that thing was not good. But yes, just keep on practicing your reorders, and read aloud also plays an important role. Secondly, that the repeated materials that were provided by Varun, they were of great importance.
That's right, guys. So it's very important you practice your speaking as well. A lot of time we ignore our speaking section, but actually that is one of the reason why you're not getting scores in your reading or listening section. So make sure you practice speaking. Even if you're getting 90, don't really think that your speaking is perfect. You might be losing a lot of points because you're getting 90 in speaking. You might be losing a lot of points in other sections. Let's talk about listening. One section a lot of students do struggle, and you were quite comfortable with it, right? What do you think was your strategy and approach towards listening, and what are the tasks which are important for your listening?
Well, in listening, to be honest, I didn't practice that much because I was pretty quite comfortable with my listening skills. But yes, those fill in the blanks and your summary, they do play an important role. So just keep on practicing your summary thing, because that speaker, what he says, and you have to keep on practice your listening things, your reading. You have to put your 3 qualities side by side while listening.
So yes,
yeah.
in listening you have to listen properly, write properly, and then it also contributes to your reading section. So you have to multitask basically over there. So it's very important to be focused and concentrate properly. Now let's move on to your NAATI, Anuj. 65 out of 90 in NAATI Hindi. Very good score. Very good. It's a very great thing you have cleared it in the very first attempt.
Yeah.
What do you think is important for NAATI CCL, and what students who are going for their NAATI exam should keep in their mind in order to crack their NAATI exam like you did?
Well, for NAATI, again, I would like to thank you, Varun. In NAATI, vocabulary is the main thing, and if you know all those words, they are on your fingertips. I think you have achieved 70%. You have cleared your exam 70%. So I still remember that you used to take test every day of all the vocabulary words, and you used to scold each and every student that why are you not preparing. So yeah, so keep on practicing your vocabulary and your what do you say, dialogues and all. Yeah,
so guys, it's very important you focus on NAATI. Do not take it light. It's not that easy, not that hard. It's all about practice. And that's it guys from this video. Again, I'm so proud of him. He never gave up. He believed in himself, had hope that yes, he will do it. He did it. 8 each in PTE, 65 out of 90 in NAATI as well, 25 points. Very soon he will be a permanent resident. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
And thanks guys. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks guys.